Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Musicians. How to benefit from email retargeting for musicians. Email marketing might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking of marketing your services. But let's see why it might just become one of your most reliable platforms for making more sales. Lets you promote other products. When you start email marketing as a musician, it may open some new doors for your business. Various statistics reveal that 98% of your website's first-time visitors will leave without converting. As bad as this looks, it's far from a hopeless situation for website owners. That's because of one solution: retargeting. Remarketing is the process of putting the right sequential messages in front of a defined audience based on their previous actions. Put another way, you use remarketing/retargeting Get Emails code to track your fans' actions across your website. Then, based on what they did or didn't do on those properties, you'll have a better sense of how to communicate with those audiences in the future. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.